Cuteness aggression is real, and this 100% proves it. If you want to see how I painted this little guy, keep on watching.
But first,
excuse me, babies. Yes, these things. He was gonna tell me that there was a fucking spider in there. And confirm the spider is no longer with us.
I cleared down my workspace for this. The whole reason I wanted to make this video is because I went down to my local Officeworks. I don't know what that would be in American terms. But I went down to my local Officeworks and I found a little tiny easel. And it's so cute. And it was so cute that I actually bought another two. And I've really been wanting to get back into acrylic paint, and I thought that this would probably be a really good starting point. So we're going to at least try and paint one of them and see how that goes. I have no plans. I should probably make a plan before we actually start. One moment, please. So I have gone ahead and created a few different sketches. I might see if there's anything else I might want to do. But you know, this little man is based off of my squishy that I sit on my desk. You know, he's just a little squish man. He's very sad. He's very sad. So we've turned him, idolizing him, into some paintings. And now I'm just gonna, oh, that didn't work. Okay, I'm gonna have to do this manual way. Please hold. I don't have a palette, so this is gonna have to do. That was a lot. And I thought wrong. So these are the colors I'm going to be working with for now. We'll see how that goes. I'm not scared, you are.
and now it's voiceover time. Hi, my name is Coda, for those who don't know me. I do live in Australia. G'day, how you going, etc, etc. I do currently work full-time. I do have a full-time job outside of art, but you know, art is one of my passions. It has been since I was a wee lad. I don't know why I said that. I'm very weird. I apologize. I'm just a girl. So I guess let's start off with what are my goals for 2026 in relation to the channel. So I don't know why I've decided to commit myself this hard, but I have. So for the channel, I would like to post a video at least once a week, with being a minimum of like 5 minutes long. Whether or not, like, we'll see how that goes. I would also like to reach 500 subs. I know that is a big goal. That's one of my big goals. And then I would also like to collab with at least one artist. There is a multitude that I follow on various social media platforms. Doesn't have to be one of them. It could just be, you know, Gary from down the road or something. I don't know. Personally, goals for 2026, because I haven't set myself resolutions. I've set myself goals because with my brain and how it works, if I set myself up a New Year's resolution, I'm not going to do it. I'm going to avoid doing it as much as humanly possible. So instead, I'm going to set myself up a goal and go from there. So the goals for 2026 is to be consistent, posting to social media, prioritizing my health, going to the gym more, exercising, health, nutrition, etc, etc. being authentic, you know, not apologizing for how I am, cutting off negativity where necessary, and just being me, not allowing the negativity to, you know, get to me, because I do that a lot in my personal life. And, you know, I've realized that it's okay to be a little psychotic in my little piece of the internet. I didn't realize how long this speed paint actually was. I apologize, and now I'm just gonna have to fill in the air a little bit. I haven't drawn bubbles very often. This is like the first time that I really painted bubbles. I barely draw bubbles. I'm mostly a digital artist. And I was quite happy with how these were coming out, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, I'm about to say something apparently, hold on.
I just really hope that the last few things that I have done have been in scope.
I think I meant in shot, but they have been. I would also like to just mention that I am recording this voiceover at 15:15. Oh no, it's almost 11:30 at night. Whoops. Oh, I'm going to talk again.
Alright, I'm going to have to do the line art off camera. Please hold.
2 hours later.
Okay, so as you can see, I've done a little bit off camera. So we've added some more bubbles. I've given him an outline, and I'm currently working on adding some suds around the place. I did also try to shade him in just a little bit, just for reference. I mean, you know, like if we zoom out of the way, and you know, we actually grab him. It's quite small. It's quite tiny. It's a tiny baby. So yeah, that's what we're working with at the moment. So I'm currently going to go in with some rose gold here from Frenchville. I don't know how to pronounce it. All I know is that it's made in Australia, so it's not French. But I'm going to go in with some rose gold to start layering it up on the yellow. As much as I do love the yellow, it's a nice contrast, but I am thinking about maybe adding a little rubber ducky. So we'll build up some of the suds here, and then we'll add a rubber ducky to the top of that.
I'm not gonna lie, the little rubber ducky is adorable, and I would commit crimes for that duck. I'm just gonna say it point blank. Overall, I'm very happy with how this came out. He definitely had an ugly phase at the beginning of it, and I was actually in a voice call with a longtime friend of mine when I was painting this, and I'm like, he's so ugly, what am I doing? He actually turned out pretty cute. Yeah. I guess that's really it, honestly. I do have some video ideas in the works at the moment, so stay tuned for those, and hopefully you won't have to hear voiceover coder very often, because voiceover coder does not do well when she doesn't write herself a script. I blame past coder for these, and future coder will have to deal with it later. Who am I kidding? Future coder doesn't have to deal with anything. It's mostly just me, present coder, that has to do most of this. It sucks being present coder sometimes. I think we're just about done here. Oh, look at him.
Looks so good. Now, cue the montage.
He is just a sweet bean, and I love him so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you try to recreate him, please tag me. I love to see it. And I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye.